Welcome class 10th. Now we'll start example 3rd. I am taking 7th and 9th. Okay. See 7th example. What is given to you? A equal to 8. Okay. An equal to 62. Sn equal to 210. 210. They are asking to find N and D. See students, look here. First read, understand what is given. A is 8, N is 62, Sn is 210. So you are knowing An formula. Write down An, whatever is given, no, this formula is there, write down formula. Automatically something will be appeared. See now. An equal to A plus N minus 1D. पूरा लिखने का. Now N value known to us 62 equal to A is known 8 plus N is not known, so N minus 1, D is not known, D. Right? Now let us take this number 1. Now again see, you are given Sn, write Sn formula. See Sn equal to N upon 2. Bracket में 2a plus n minus 1d. Right? Now see a is known. Write down. See, I am writing Sn is 210 given, put value 210 equal to n upon 2. N is not known. We know a. A is what? 8 to 16. So I am writing this a plus a. See, plus n minus 1d. So this a plus n minus 1d is already known to us. Are you understanding? A plus n minus 1d is 62. If I write 8 plus n minus 1d, so 8 plus 1 minus n minus 1d is 62. In place of this complete, I am writing 62. See, n upon 2, a is known to us 8. In this place, a plus n minus 1d, that is value of n. Directly we are given 62. We are writing 62 plus 62. Now I am taking this to this side. 420. Yes or no? 8 into 8 plus 62, 70. Bring 70 this side. You got 420 upon 70 equal to n. 0 cancel. So you got 6. Answer. You got n you got, then you can find d. Yes or no? See, n is 6, a is 8, n is given to you. I am taking first now. From first, see, from 1, 62 equal to 8 plus n minus 1 d. I know n, I will get d. Got it? Now see, I am writing this 8 comes this side. 62 minus 8 equal to n minus 1, that is 6 minus 1 multiplied by d. 6 minus 1, 5. 62 minus 8, how much? Yes, 54. 6 minus 1, 5d. So 54 upon 5. Got it? 64 upon 5 equal to d. So get decimal. Yes. 10.8 is your value of d. Got it? See student, these examples are only to check student is able to relate these terms given or not. n है तो आपको n को फॉर्मूला तुरंत याद आना चाहिए. पुटअप करो वैल्यूज फ्रॉम दिस. नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग, लीव एज इट इज नंबर 1. आगे बढ़ लो, write the formula and just see, comparing. Something is link, some link is given, they have some relation. We are replacing directly and we are getting answer n. Okay children, right. Now see, after getting value of d, example 7, I am taking example number 9. Okay, 9th part. See, 9th is given a equal to 3. Okay, n equal to 8. Right? A is equal to 192. Okay, find D. See, n is 8, the number of terms is 8. Definitely this is sum of 8 terms. So see, therefore S8 equal to 192. ये आपको दिया हुआ है. You are given A3. Okay, now let us write formula. See, S8 equal to 8 upon 2 bracket A is known to you, 2 into 3 plus n is known to you, 8 minus 1 7, D is not known. Okay, D is not known, you can find D. Right, children, all of you, open this now. S8 known to you, put value 192, 4, 6 plus 7, D. Got it? Now this 4 comes this side. Up to this you understood. I am taking it now. See, 4 comes 192 upon 4 equal to 6 plus 7D. Cancel. You got 48 equal to 6 plus 7D. 6 comes this side. 42 equal to 7D. So D equal to 6. Got it? If you get D, your question is over. Here in example 9th part, important is that S is given 192. स्टूडेंट को समझ में आना चाहिए, अगर वहाँ 8 टर्म्स है, सम दिया है तो S8 है वो. दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. फाइंड डी. ओके, ये समझते बच्चा लिखेगा फॉर्मूला. सब कुछ दिया है फिर आपको. A is known, D, N is known, complete sum is known. So in that formula, what is left? Only D is left. Right? Very nice. Now see students, look, I am taking example number 4.